Hey guys, I just got this parcel from Amazon. So this basically has the PlayStation 5 controller DualSense. I'm just gonna do unboxing. I've already opened this box because it's pretty pretty solid. So I just opened it up. So I'm really excited to see the DualSense controller. I've heard a lot of things about this. I didn't get I didn't get the PS5. I just got this one. I thought, like, maybe PS5 when you buy it anyways you're gonna get one remote, and I thought of, like, anyway buying another one because I have a brother, so to play with them. um, so this is the parcel. I just opened it. I can see that something happened over here. I want to make sure that the seal is not open so that I can send it back to Amazon. I think the seal is pretty intact. I can see that, as you can see over here, there is some little bit of air in this one, so I'm just doubting whether it's something to do with the open seal or not. And you can see that it has been tear upon over here, but everything other than that seems to be intact. There's a hair on this. I'm not sure whose hair it is. So it's over here. This is the hair. It's stuck to my hand right now. That one over there. I'm not. It's not a complaint, but then I don't know how it got into this. Anyways, so all right. So this is the DualSense controller which I've just ordered, and I got it in a one-day delivery. I paid for 59 pounds for this, so exactly almost 60 pounds for this. But this is really nice. So majorly I'm going to use this on my PC, connecting with my PC and PlayStation Now as well. So it doesn't have a direct support, so I need to use some applications to get this working on PlayStation Now, and maybe I can use it for other games on PC as well. All I have to do is, like, I need to use a USB cable to connect it, and the good thing is, like, it's a type C one, so it's going to be really easy for me to connect it with my computer. So let me unbox this. All right, so this is the controller itself. It was inside this bag, and there was a paper note saying some instruction about this controller. I was expecting some kind of a wire to be inside this boxes, but there is nothing. It's kind of empty, so you can see that it's pretty much empty over there. Nothing much. There's no wire, nothing. It just comes with this controller. It is a rechargeable one. It is a lithium ion, I guess, which is used for recharging. So the PS button has changed in this particular version. In all PS5 controllers, because of the difference in that. So as you can see, that it looks good. So this is the trackpad, and the button seems to be pretty solid. This one, yeah, it's pretty nice to hold the controller. It's heavy and it's perfect to hold in hand, and this area which is given for the three fingers perfectly aligns to it. So I just gonna do it like this. So basically for both these triggers, it looks good and it feels nice. I think this is for the dock, this controller, and I guess it's a headphone jack as well. And I guess we can use this for muting. I guess this is another key, which is a new addition. And there you have the speaker, and you have the joysticks on the left and right joystick, and you have the nice PS button. And then behind that you have a charging USB Type-C. I'm really happy about this USB Type-C charging port. I'm really excited because everything is Type-C now, rather than the other one, which comes in the previous ones. And you have the Sony logo and other stuff. I brought it from PlayStation from Amazon, so I'm thinking that it is genuine, and hoping that it is genuine as well. All right, that's what I will have for you right now. So let me start gaming and let you know what's going on with the gaming stuff. Thank you so much for watching this anyway.